Fascinating facts about snakes. There are more than 3,000 species of snakes on the planet, which are found everywhere from treetops to the forest floor, in deserts and in the oceans, except in Antarctica, New Zealand, Greenland, Iceland, and Ireland. Stick around until the end of the video to know a few amazing facts about this deadly creature. Now let's get started with the facts. Number 1. Snakes smell with their tongue. A snake may appear threatening when it flicks its tongue out, but it's simply trying to get a better sense of its surroundings. Snakes have nostrils just like humans, but a snake's tongue is used to smell, whereas nostrils to breathe. When a snake flicks its tongue in the air, it picks up tiny chemical particles. When the snake brings its tongue back into its mouth, the tongue fits into a special organ called a vomeronasal organ and senses the smell. Number 2. Snakes cannot blink. Snakes don't blink because they do not have eyelids. Each eye is covered with a single clear eye scale which protects eye from injury and prevents from drying out. That's the reason snakes cannot blink and sleep with open eyes. Number 3. Few snakes can reproduce by themselves without mating. Parthenogenesis is a type of asexual reproduction in which offspring develop from unfertilized eggs, meaning there is no genetic contribution by a male. It's caused when cells known as polar bodies, which are produced with an animal's egg and usually die, behave like sperm and fuse with the egg, triggering cell division. Number 4. Not all snakes lay eggs. 70% of snake species lay eggs while 30% give birth to live young. Snakes that lay their eggs outside of their bodies are known as oviparous. Snakes that give birth to live young are viviparous, whereas ovoviviparous snakes appear to give birth to live young, but they retain the eggs inside of their bodies until they are ready to hatch. Number 5. Type of snake can be identified by its body scale. By examining the scale pattern or from its shed skin, one can identify the species of snake. Snakes have scale patterns such as granular, keeled, cycloid, polygonal, and various other patterns. The scale on the body of the snake are called the dorsal or costal scales. The number of ventral scales can be a guide to the species. Number 6. King cobras are cannibals. What makes these snakes kings is not just their size or their deadliness. After all, they don't eat humans. It is that they eat other snakes. Even deadly snakes like kraits or other cobras are its prey. Number 7. King cobras does not belong to the cobra family. The king cobra is not considered to be a true cobra species such as the other cobras in the Naja genus. Instead, it belongs to its own genus Ophiophagus. There are many differences between a common cobra and a king cobra, one being its diet. King cobras mainly feed on other snakes such as Asian rat snakes, cobras, and pythons, whereas common cobras eat frogs, lizards, birds, snakes, and small mammals. Number 8. King cobra is the only snake that builds the nest. King cobras build nests using dry leaves for its eggs and guard them until they have hatched. The king cobra's nest is so tightly constructed that even after torrential downpour and extremely humid conditions, it remains intact. During the incubation period, which lasts for about 90 days, the eggs inside the nest remain dry. Number 9. Most snake bite deaths have been reported in India among all the countries. The highest rate of snake bite fatalities occurs in South Asia, particularly on the Indian subcontinent, where nearly 11,000 deaths occur every year, accounting for over half of estimated snake bite deaths worldwide. Number 10. The inland taipan is the most venomous snake in the world. The inland taipan produces the most toxic venom in the snake kingdom. It is estimated that one bite could kill more than 100 people. This venom is specially adapted to kill warm-blooded animals. It affects the nervous system, the blood, and the muscles. Inland taipans are found in East Australia and are strictly protected. I hope you found the video interesting and informative. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.